I'm back at Harvard Law School now as a senior fellow and also a lecturer. So I teach, a seminar at Harvard Law School in the spring. So essentially, this is my story.
And do you think that one day you will be back in Tibet? You're born in India, but are you hopeful?
Absolutely. I get up every morning thinking I am a Tibetan. Before I go to bed, I always tell I'm a Tibetan. My mission is to go back. That dream, that is there. So that's why here I am in India now. I am giving talks in 15 or 16 universities in 14 days' time.
Okay.
And whole of October I'm traveling, whole of November I'm traveling, and half of December. So only November, when my daughter comes from college for Thanksgiving vacation, 4 days I'm home, and then December break I'm home. Other than that, I'm traveling because this year is His Holiness' 90th birthday.
Yeah.
Now he's not able to travel around. So in November of 2017, His Holiness was giving talk to a lot of, they were like group of foreign students from all over the world, youth leaders. And I had just had a darshan. I was driving down, and His Holiness, through his office, called me up, and I went to that meeting. And His Holiness said, "Now I'm aging, and from now on, I won't be travel much. But there are two people who knows me and who can reflect and represent me and he made us stand up, and Samdo Rinpoche, my predecessor, and myself. It's these two people will they understand fully my thoughts, my thinking. They will reflect and represent me around the world. So this is not a formal appointment per se, but then that has dawned on me that I must do everything in my life to reflect and as best as I could to represent His Holiness thinking, his vision, around the world. And this is 90th birthday. We all are, all the Tibetans are contributing in our own small ways to celebrate and honor His Holiness Dalai Lama. And my contribution is to have a very hectic schedule for next 4 months, and talk about His Holiness' vision, reflect him. This is my way of wishing him happy birthday, and at the same time pray that he lives long, and then definitely his legacy should carry on, and then should spread around the world. Like Buddha did, like Mahatma Gandhi did, like great leaders do, right? So this is my job. So this is what I'm trying to do. So I'm glad I'm here. I could share my personal thoughts, and you asked very good questions too.
Thank you so much, sir. In fact, your story is truly inspiring. I was literally on the edge of my seat, as you can see. But we will be in touch, and of course, this is something that has been a big story, not only here in India, the story of the Tibetan community, and of course, the resilience, but globally as well. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Siddhant.